Welcome to Dayspring Trailers. Today we are looking at it. An Alcom all aluminum Snopro trailer. This is 101 wide by 14 feet long, plus the V-nose. Nice thing about this one, we put some extra height in it, so it is 7 feet 6 inches tall at the rear door. So if you have a side-by-side you want to put in during the summer, no problem. Sitting on tandem 3,500 pound torsion axles with brakes on both axles. It's finished in beautiful black. We powder coated all the trim, so it's all blocked out. I have both doors open. If we walk around it, the front ramp door, you can see we put paddle grabbers on it, so it comes out nice and easy. The diamond plate in front's all blocked out. Continue walking around. All blocked out panels here. Beautiful, beautiful black wheels on it. 15-inch big wheels, so you don't have trouble. The other thing we did is we tapered the ramp at the bottom here, so you don't need to have a starter flap. You can roll right in. As you can see, it has paddle grabbers on the back. As you walk inside, you can see it's got the rear spoiler with LED loading lights. Inside here, this long thing here is a drain. So when your snow melts, rolls down the trailer, goes in the drain and goes out. It has a slide track system, so these here are adjustable to put them anywhere in this slide track you would like. Or if you're more comfortable with the T-bars, we have those that fit in the slide track as well. Inside, white walls, 3 LED dome lights. The flooring is called advanced decking. It will outlive you. I've got some in a fishbowl for over 6 years. It will never rot, so I don't have to worry about treating it. Let your snow melt off your sleds, it's not going to hurt it. This is the man door here. This is the switch for the dome lights. A 10-coat rack hanger on it, so you can hang your coats and helmets when you're done. This switch here is for the rear dome lights, rear spoiler lights, excuse me, the rear spoiler lights. So if you have questions about this trailer or any other trailer, you want different colors, different options, plus another note, our service and parts department's open 7 days a week for your convenience, so we can get your trailer service whenever you need. If you have questions, reach out to us at dayspringtrailers.com or call us at 503-666-7300. Thanks for looking and have a wonderful day.